Extra time.
Hello and welcome to Extra Time. This is Rajul Sharma from Fans India. And again on public demand, we are doing this English segment where we're going to talk to fans. So before I start talking to Fans India and all the Indian fans who are with us at the moment, let's sum up the day very quickly. I know you all have watched the game. You haven't missed any ball. But the main thing I'm going to talk about is weather. Weather has trumped us all. Yesterday I told you it's very hard to predict how Brisbane's weather is going to play out, and that's exactly what happened. There was 80% chance of rain since morning, and rain came around tea time. Basically we got 2 full sessions of cricket, and that is what's expected tomorrow as well. Tomorrow there is 70 to 80% chance of rain, and again I don't want to make any prediction because weather here is highly unpredictable. But we are guessing, we are not guessing actually, based on what happened today, we are predicting that there would be 60 to 65 overs that India will have to bat tomorrow to either achieve the target or save the game. Enough of me, now let's talk to fans. I've seen you were very nervous in the morning, you know, when Warner and Harris were taking the game away from India. You were very nervous. How are you feeling now?
I am feeling very relieved right now, and we have never seen such a performance by our Indian team before. Like sometimes I have seen that we have giving up too early and all, but this team never gives up, and that's what I am really proud about this team. They pulled back the Australian score. They ensured that they are not running away with the game, and now it's a 50-50 game. Either Australia can win or India can win. A draw is also possible. Who knows? There might be a tie also. Remember, Gabba is where there was the first tie happened between West Indies and Australia.
This ground has a bit of a history to surprise. And as he said, you know, it's not because of rain we are saving the game. India has been playing really well. 10 wickets in 2 sessions with this bowling attack, which many are saying is not really India's A-grade bowling attack. I think hats off to Indian bowlers, both Shardul Thakur as well as Siraj. You know, the first fifer of this series for Indian bowler, and Shardul Thakur was very close to that as well. At one stage, both were at 4 wickets each. So hats off to this bowling attack. These guys are playing fearless cricket. As I just said, you know, we all were nervous when David Warner was hitting, Harris was making runs. We thought there would be a target of 400 runs or maybe more for India to chase. But this young bowling attack, this inexperienced but highly talented bowling attack pulled the game back in India's court. And as we've just discussed, you know, 3 results are possible. India can win, it could be a draw. India can lose as well, but I don't think so that's going to happen. 60 to 65 overs to bat. If we get rain into the equation, it's very easy for this Indian team. Now we are talking about batting. I know you're a big Rohit Sharma fan. Yeah. You were disappointed in the first inning. Do you think he's going to make 100?
Yeah, we are expecting he's going to make century. But, you know, he's the best player and a senior player now.
Exactly.
All the players are injured. So he will do the best. And, you know, the other team members, they will also do the best.
They will do the best. So this is a team where we don't rely on 1 or 2 superstars. You know, if Rohit misses out, we have Gill, we have Pant, we have Pujara, we have Rahane, we have Shardul. It's very hard to take all the name in one breath. This team is making us feel proud. There used to be a time when Indian fans used to pick their bag and just leave the test stadiums, humiliated, unhappy. But for the last few years, since Virat Kohli's team basically showed us how to win in Australia, this team has made their habit to win and keep winning. World record target to achieve tomorrow. You know, they were showing that score in the game.
Absolutely.
It's going to be the highest total chased by any team. Do you think this team can do it?
This team, and that's a key word there, Rajiv, that you said team. This team has all the capability to win this game. Why? Because exactly the names you said before. I'm not going to repeat the names, but one after the other. The top 8 have been courageous. They have done their best to play each and every ball against the best bowling attack. This is where we are proud of an Indian to say that this is the best betting strip that we could have in as a team, and they're going to do what they need to do.
Absolutely right. Look, you can hear the experience, you can hear the confidence from Indian fans. You know, we're pretty much looking forward for Team India to either go for the win or a draw. You know, in either situation, India will retain the trophy. So tomorrow's update, hopefully we'll have our dhol and nagaras, and you will see us cheering for Team India, celebrating with Team India here at Extra Time. Rajul Sharma signing off from Brisbane.
Hit the subscribe option and the bell icon to get all the exclusive sports videos on Extra Time.